Have you been annoyed by the Drumaxx Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze image line dependency and restore that missing file. Before we get into the technical process for Drumaxx Library, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the Drumaxx Library, the Drumaxx Percussion Engine. This library manages unmanaged physical modeling of drum sounds within FL Studio and other DAWs. It facilitates high-speed signal processing to emulate acoustic percussion resonance. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. To restore Drumaxx Library DLL, we need to address the underlying graphics runtime. I recommend installing the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime package to refresh your legacy DirectX components, followed by a GPU driver update to ensure your OpenCL or CUDA frameworks are current. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Drumaxx library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3. And if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Drumaxx Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Drumaxx library environment. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Drumaxx library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.